How to apply and log in to Lowe's Advantage card. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily apply and log into the Lowe's Advantage card. So in order to do that, you're going to have to access any of your web browser first on your PC or your phone. Click on the search bar, and then here you're just going to have to search for Lowe's Advantage card. Hit enter. Now click on the first link, lowes.com/credit card. Once you open this link up, you'll have an option to log into your account. So from here, you can just click on the sign in button and then log into it. Now, all you have to do here is just go ahead and go to the Lowe's Reward Credit Card account as well. And after logging in, after you click on the sign in button, and click on sign in or create, you should be able to sign into your account. Just enter your email here, click on continue, and then you're going to have to provide your password. So if you haven't already created your account, select whether you want to create a personal or a business account. I'll just select personal for now. Enter all of these fields, create a password for your account, click on create account, and you should be able to find your credit card connected to your account here after logging in. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one.